In lush canopies where monkeys swing, a tale unfolds, both sad and true, of nature's plea and what we must do. Monkeys leaping from tree to tree, once wild and free in their spree, now find their homes in rapid flight, forests falling, day and night. The lemur's bright, bold pattern hue fades in shadows where chainsaws hew. Primates' songs that lit the air now echoes lost as silent prayer. Their eyes reflect a world so bright, a testament to nature's light. In their chatter, wisdom rings, the call to protect these precious beings. High above, where hornbills soar, hawks and parrots once galore, their skies now crossed with lines of steel, wings clipped by man's unyielding zeal. Their calls once bold, now softly mourn, for habitats from them torn. Yet in this tale of sorrow's weave, hope arises, makes us believe. Through efforts grand and small alike, we can halt this grievous strike. Sanctuaries built with tender care restore the green and life lays bare. Corridors of trees reborn bring back the joys of dawn. Reserves where monkeys find their peace, and birds their sky in sweet release. Conservation's guiding hand heals the wounds across the land. With every tree that we protect, a pledge of those we must respect. Restoration's gentle art gives nature back her beating heart. Birds return to skies once clear, monkeys leap without a fear. In unity we forge a path to mitigate the aftermath. Let's stand as stewards, voices strong, correct the ways we've done them wrong. For in their eyes we find our worth, guardians of this precious earth. So let us strive with all our might to turn the darkness into light. For in each creature's joyous call we find our purpose, one and all.